Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Mancuso, and this is a quick lesson on polyatomic ions. So let's think about what this word means. Poly means many, atoms, and ions means that it has a charge. So it's either positive or negative. So these are groups of atoms that have charges. They are on table E. So table E in your reference table says selected polyatomic ions, and here they all are. I like to call them the teams. So table E, and I call them the teams because they always stick together and they keep the same name. So these atoms are already in a covalent bond. So if you look at any of them like CO3 with a -2 charge, so carbon and oxygen are both nonmetals, so they're covalently bonded, 1 carbon, 3 oxygens, and overall it has a -2 charge. Or HCO3 with a negative charge, or C2O4 with a -2 charge. They're all covalent molecules. Now we can put these with a metal and have both an ionic and a covalent bond. These are already in a covalent. I'll put this ion with a metal ion, and then I will have ionic bonding as well. So let's do that so we get a little practice. So let's pick carbonate, CO3 with a -2. So when I want to combine this with a metal, let's say I'm combining it with lithium. I want to do the normal ionic bonding thing where I go charge on the left, charge on the right, and now I'm going to crisscross. So I want 1 CO3 and I need 2 Li's. So I would write that Li2CO3. And then I would name that lithium carbonate. And I don't change it to "ide" or anything. These are my teams. The team names stay the same. They're all on table E and I do not change them. All right, let's try another one. Let's have magnesium. Magnesium is a +2. And let's find a different one here. How about nitrate? Nitrate is NO3 with a -1. This time when I crisscross, the 1 goes down to the magnesium. So I don't ever have to write a 1. And then I need 2 NO3s. Now because I want 2 teams, I have to put it in parentheses, put the NO3, and put the 2 after it. So that means I need 1 magnesium atom and I need 2 NO3s. So that's going to be a total of 1 and then 2 nitrogens and then 2 times 3, 6 oxygens. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9 atoms in my overall molecule. And this has both ionic and covalent bonds. All right, now I'm going to give you one. Let's do H3PO4. So that's the molecule, and you have to figure out what it is. Actually, that's an acid, so I want to take that off and I want to put a metal on there. So let's do Na3PO4. So Na is sodium, and then you just look up what PO4 is. And so PO4 is right here. It is phosphate, and it had a -3 charge. That's how I got it. So this was a -3 and this was a +1, and that's how I got my crisscross. So if you have any questions, come see me, but these are just, they're pretty easy because they're all on table E. You just have to remember to look there and keep the name the same, and that it is both ionic and covalent bonding when you put it with a metal. Thanks.